Hey guys, welcome to Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh, with this, hey, it's not a mower or blower. What's going on here, Rich? What do you got yourself? Well, I got myself an e-bike. What? An e-bike? Yeah. So, this Jetson e-bike, 36 volt, 6.0 lithium-ion battery, 10-inch tires, and it goes like 15.5 miles per hour. So, and it has a battery life of about 15 miles. It can hold 265 pounds, and no, I'm not that heavy. Has disc brakes in the back, 10-inch tires. We have your power button, a battery indicator right there. We got our little bell going on. We also have headlights and brake lights. So there's your headlight, tail light, and brake lights. So when you stop, also has cruise control. So if you get tired holding this right here, you can let your hand rest and put on a little cruise control. This thing is compact and folds up. So check this thing out. Let's go ahead and turn it off there. But go ahead and take this right here. Watch this. This will fold right down. Take your seat, push that down. I'm not going to go ahead and do it. And then you got your little handlebar right here. It's only 34 pounds. So you can throw it in the back of your car, ride around for 15 miles, and that's how it works. Pull that back up just like that, snap that back in there. Thanks for joining me here looking at this e-bike, and I would recommend it. It's pretty fun. So hey, thanks for watching Rich's Mowers and Blowers with e-bikes. Hey, stay tuned for a repair on it. I'm gonna show you how to fix the tire if it ever goes flat.